How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a good day. I had nothing in the market. I paper traded today. I'm trying to test out a new strategy that I've been fooling around with, and it hasn't been working. Trading my funded accounts or evaluation accounts. I think I had like 20 of them lately. So I said, oh, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be clever, and I'm going to paper trade until I get it down pat. So basically what it is, a lot of it is Wayne's pivots. So you look for like touchdown to M1 using hourlies and daily pivots and 5 minutes, 2 hour pivots and blah 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 and everything else. But it's mostly that, like, but today now it's kind of hard. I didn't really want to trade it too much, even though I did get a little pop up. But yeah, it's just it's basically what you're looking at is your main pivot, your M3, R1, M4. So if it gets up this way and it's in a downtrend, you kind of want to take a short from the R1, try to get it back down to the central pivot, or vice versa. If it's in an uptrend, I guess, and it comes down to the S1 or the M4, you try to take it long, or the S2, you try to take it long back up to around the center pivot, or even to the R1 or whatever like that. There's different strategies. But yeah, so that's what I've been kind of doing. I didn't really want to open up another eval, trying to learn a strategy and trying to get used to my trading view again, because I always use Tradevate. And so I was like, no, I'm just going to paper trade it, because what's the difference? You know, at the end of the day, making money and losing money is, you know, what does it matter? But an eval, you got to pay money for, so I was like, I'm not doing that until I got this 100% down path, because I think it is very feasible. I know people like Coach Knudem that use this and they do great, you know what I mean? So I'm going to try it and I'm going to give it a shot, but I'm not, I'm going to start coming on live every day for now. I'm going to start coming on live every day again, but I'm going to paper trade this in the morning in the pre-market, and I'm going to paper trade it all day, but until I can get it up 3,000 using this strategy, and this strategy alone, because I've seen lots of other setups I could have taken today, but just using this strategy to make 3,000 and then make 3,000 as if I passed funding, or enough for a payout. Then until I can do that a couple times, I'm not gonna get an account yet. I'm gonna leave it, let it build up. Speaking of accounts, you need an account to take Profit Trader, please use code JW. I really appreciate it. Thank you everybody liking and subscribing, and thank you to everybody using the code JW. I really appreciate that. I do have a code JWT with Trade Day 2 if you need any accounts of them. But yeah, that's basically what I've been doing. I've been trying to get better at this, and it's harder than it looks. Like, you wouldn't think it'd be like this. It came down here to the M1. This is on the hourly one. Came down to the M1. Definitely looks like a good push. Now I might just push the S1 a little bit higher and go down, because the next 2 hour block coming in, you know. So I don't know. I'm not there yet. I'm not, you know what I mean, confident enough to get too excited. I'm doing a lot of watching. Like, I didn't even trade. Why? That's a lie. I took a trade on the 4 hour open candle. That was, when was that? And I did okay, but then I took another trade that was against what I was supposed to be doing, because I got excited, and then I was like, I'm not doing this right. I'm supposed to wait for it. So I got rid of it, and I simulated another account, so I'm just sitting here waiting now for everything to set up. But anyway, hopefully you had a good day, and I'm going to be live again tomorrow morning practicing this in the morning, so come and join me. I really appreciate it. But yeah, that's it for me, man. I'm going to go stare at some charts again for a little while, but we'll talk to you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by.